is our creamy egusi paste, which I made from seeds. I believe, after watching this video, you're going to learn, or you have learned, you're going to learn how to make, egusi paste from the seeds. So don't worry if you have like the dry one. By the time you watch this video, you're going to learn how to make creamy egusi paste, which you can use for your soup and stews from dry egusi. Guys, so this is the egusi seeds. However, if you want to make egusi soup and you realize you only have the seeds, so what are you going to do? If you do not, because most persons when cooking or when they go to the market, they specifically ask for the blended egusi. That's the dry blended egusi. Now, some persons get the seeds. My mom sent me the seeds, while some persons, other than having the seeds, they may not have the dry blender or the blender that grinds things dry. So what you're going to do, which I already did, I washed this, and I have 2 cups of egusi right in here, and right here I have a glass of water. So I'm just going to blend this with this glass of water, and if I realize that I need some more, I will just basically add in some more egusi. So I have a question for you guys. Have anyone tried planting egusi with the seeds? I'm going to try this and let you guys know the experiment, how it turns out later. And if you're interested, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So we have our blender. I'm just going to proceed to pour this in. So let's just do this. So guys, how did you learn about egusi? Let me know. Comment below. Was it one of your favorite food, growing up, or did you know about it from the internet? Just let me know how you learned about egusi. And other than egusi, what other African food or what other African soups have you tried? Because I know on TikTok they had this challenge, the what would I call it? The egusi and fufu challenge. Yes, I didn't participate in it because hey, egusi is a staple. And if you tried it, let me know in the comment below if you really did enjoy the egusi. But if you would like to learn how to cook, feel free to check on my channel. I posted a lot of recipes on how to cook delicious egusi soup. And let me tell you, this egusi is actually good for vegetarians. It's healthy, it's rich in protein. And most African food and soups, I tell you, is like better than most of, I won't say European food, most of the Western food. For example, most of the European or Western, let me put it like that, Western fast food. So we have our egusi right in here. I'm just going to add in a glass of water here. So it's going to get all the egusi in the bowl, and then we proceed to blend this. So this is what we have right here. Let me see if I could get the measurement. Let's see. We have about, I think it's more than 2 cups. So I'm not sure if you can see, this is 1 cup. This is 2 cups. So we have 2 cups right here. Let me just level it. Okay. So this is a little over 2 cups, and I should add some more water. But let's see, we're going to blend this, and if we actually need to add some more water, then we'll proceed to add some more. Now we're going to proceed to cover it and blend. This is what we have right here. Just going to ensure it's fitted securely before I blend it. Now let's go. So I'm just going to go in with this spatula. just to ensure everything is mixed up properly and well. And I'm going to add some water inside. So I added 2 cups of water inside this. And let's blend. We have successfully blended our egusi. So you see this creamy egusi paste. Beautiful. So this is our creamy. I'm going to show you how to make creamy egusi. So this is our creamy egusi paste, which I made from seeds. I believe after watching this video, you're going to learn, or you have learned, you're going to learn how to make egusi paste from the seeds. So don't worry if you have like the dry one. By the time you watch this video, you're going to learn how to make creamy egusi paste, which you can use for your soup and stews from dry egusi. So now we have our creamy creamy egusi paste. So let's proceed and add it to the rest of the ingredients. Great. So right here now we have all the ingredients we're going to use to make our wonderful egusi soup. We have our Norwegian stockfish steak. We have palm oil. I'm using a cup of palm oil. Beef, 1 pound of beef. Dried fish. Our creamy paste. We have our ugu leaves. Our seasoning. More seasoning. And our ground crayfish. And I'm also going to be using garlic powder. Hi guys, so that's just a short clip of the egusi recipe I will be posting on my channel. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, feel free to follow us on our social media platforms on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at the Hand of God Food channel. So I hope you've been able to know that it's very easy to make a very thick and creamy egusi paste, and this paste you can use it for your soups and your stews. And let me tell you, this paste is so rich in protein, minerals and vitamins. It's a very, very healthy option. So don't forget to share. If you like this video, click on the like button so Facebook would know that, hey, this is a very interesting, video that was posted. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and God bless. Goodbye.